Assalamualaikum. I am your math teacher for class 3. Due to this pandemic situation, schools are closed again. So we are providing you recorded lecture. Please listen to the lecture carefully. Open your book, page number 10. Exercise number 1.3. Draw a margin. Mention date. Exercise number 1.3, page number 10. Question: change the number in words into numbers in figures. The first three are done for you. Here we draw two columns, first number in figures and second number in words. In column number in figures, we write place value, write unit, 10, 100, 1000. Number 1, 78. Here 70 is the 10 value. We write 7 in 10 place and 8 is a unit value. So we write 8 in unit place. Number 2, 567. Here 5 is a 100 value. We write 5 in 100 place and 60 is a 10 value. So we write 6 in 10 place and 7 is a unit value. We write 7 in unit place. Number 3, 3826. Here 3 is a 1000 value. So we write 3 in 1000 place and 8 is a 100 value. We write 8 in 100 place and 26. 20 is a 10 value. So we write 2 in 10 place and 6 is the unit value, then we write 6 in unit place. Number 4, 2715. 2 is a 1000 value, we write 2 in 1000 place. Here 7 is a 100 value, we write 7 in 100 place. And in 15, 1 is the 10 value and 5 is unit value. So we write 1 in 10 place and 5 in unit place. You will do this work in copy like this. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your work and submit it on time. We don't write both digits in one place, so we write